No amount of training can adequately prepare an athlete for a world championship. And as Team Kenya got onto the bus to travel to the competition venue, many thoughts must have been running through their minds. The first task they did when they got to the park is a warm-up, a light one so as not to tire themselves or risk an injury. Once that is done, the waiting begins in the athletes' common room. At 11:30 a.m., the championship kicked off, and those who weren't participating at that moment took on the role of spectators and cheerleaders supporting their compatriots. All in all, it was a good show for Kenya as they won the junior women's title, senior women's title, senior men's title, junior women's team title, and senior women's team title. Meanwhile, in the media center, it was a full house. Now, all these journalists working very hard behind me are gathered from media houses all around the world, and their top story today is all about Kenya. Very inspiring for all the Kenyans who are gathered here, and the lesson that united we stand, divided we fall. English is not spoken by a majority of Polish residents. Thus, getting around may have been a challenge for Team Kenya. However, Timothy Tumo, a chemist living in Bydgoszcz, proved a suitable interpreter for us, together with his wife.
Jambo, habari yako?
Nzuri sana.
Habari ya leo?
Leo
Habari ya kazi?
Obviously, no world championship is complete without interesting sound bites from Kenya's athletes.
2010 hakukuwa na milima, alikuwa milima kidogo, lakini ya leo ilikuwa kubwa.
Wakati ni tulikuwa ndege, tulitembea kunyorosa mishuli, kuketi chini, kuamuka, kila kitu ilikuwa sawa. Ndio sasa tumeshuka ndege tukiwa sawa.
You know, the course today I see this different. The last in 2010 it was snowing. It was only cold, but now it's snowing.
Where are you from?
Such events also serve as great markets for exhibitors who sold all manner of products for as little as 300 Kenya shillings. The efficient transport network of the city of Bydgoszcz ensured that we never saw a traffic jam, and trams such as this red one should be on the agenda of all governors overseeing urban areas in Kenya. All in all, it was a great outing for Team Kenya, including members of the Fourth Estate who at times got surprised by the unfamiliar. Cross-country championships, and today their training began at 10 a.m. at the Bydgoszcz Stadium. For Citizen Sports, I'm Waihiga Mwaura.